Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use the magic eraser on your Pixel 6, 7 or above phones. To do this, open your Photos app. Open the photo you want to use magic eraser on. Next tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Swipe left to select Tools. Next tap on Magic Eraser. Now circle or brush the section of the picture you want to erase. For example, I will remove the star, so I will put a circle around it. As you can see, the star has been removed. Now tap Done. As of today, this feature only works on Pixel 6 and above. If you have any of these phones and you don't have the magic eraser button, then make sure you've updated your Pixel phone to the latest system update, followed by updating your Photos app to the latest version. A simple way to use the magic eraser on your Pixel 6 or 7 phones. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.